Hi everyone, welcome to our MKTUT YouTube channel. You all know interview will be a great turning point of our lives. So most probably we all have to face an IQ test while in the interviews. Such that here I am going to discuss a number of popular IQ questions. So let's look at one by one. Let's look at the first question. When time is 3:15, what is the angle between hour and minute points? So when resolving this question, first we should have an idea how the hour and minute shells going. So let's first draw a small sketch for that. This is 12, then 3. So we can say 3, 5, 3, 10 and 3, 15 like this. So you know yellow shell is for represents minutes and 3 red shell is for hours. So when 3:15 the second shell directs to the tree and the hour shell it a little bit past 3. So the angle we should want to measure is this, the angle between hour and minute shells. So let's look at how we can solve this. You know uh, the second shell is direct to 3. So we can get the start point at there and the hour shell is a little bit past the 3. So when measuring the angle we can get we can identify the angle of the hour shell. So when 12 hours it pass one circle, so 360 degrees. Then by that we can get 1 hour as 30 degrees. So in 3:15 it means it is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes means uh, hour divided by 4. So when 30 degree divided by 4 it gets 7.5 degrees. So angle between hour and minute points is 7.5 degrees. This is how we can get the angle. Let's look at a number pattern related IQ question. So there is a pattern of numbers. So ask which pair comes next. So there are two blanks to find. When you look at this pattern, you can see 87 is represents after every two numbers. So by that, for the second blank, we can use 87. Okay. Then when we considering the remaining numbers, we can see the difference between 27 and 25 is 2. Same as to this pattern, the difference between 23 and 21 is also 2. Likewise, we can get a pattern for the remaining number. So, 19 minus x samanai 2. X is the number which is matching for the blank. So, by solving this, we get x equal to 17. So, as the answer, the pair of numbers are 17 and 87. Okay, let's look at another number pattern related problem. In this problem also there are two blanks at the end of pattern. So, when solving this, we can identify a pattern in there also. So, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Likewise, it goes 10 plus 5 equal to 15, 15 plus 6 equal to 21. 21 plus 7 equal to 28. So you can get idea about the pattern. The value of increase value is increased one by one, such that 28 plus 8 equal to 36 and 36 plus 9 equal to 45. So the pair of numbers are 36 and 45. Okay. Which number should come next in the pattern? So how can we solve this? 37 minus 3 equal to 34. 34 minus 3 equal to 31. 33 minus 3 equal to 28. The decreasing number is 3. So numbers are decreasing by 3 such that the next number should be 28 minus 3 equal to 25. What fraction makes up the shaded parts? That means they ask the total value of shaded parts. So in first picture it is fully shaded. Second one also fully shaded. The third one also you can see it is also fully shaded. But the fourth one it is 1/4 shaded. So that the totally shaded fraction is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1/4. So the total shaded fraction is equal to 3/1/4. Let's look at another number pattern related problem. What number best completes the analogy? The analogy is 8 to 4 as 10 to blank. Here you can see 4 is half of 8, such that the blank number should be half of 10. So our answer should be 5 because 5 is the half of 10. Okay, I think you can understand how I solve these IQ questions. So let's look at another analytical question. So here you have two buckets. One holds exactly 5 liters. The other holds 3 liters. So how can you measure 4 liters of water into the 5-liter bucket? By assuming that you have an unlimited water supply and that there are no measurement markings of any kind of the buckets. Let's look at how can we solve this. So first you should fill the 3-liter bucket. Then pour water into the 5-liter bucket. Okay. So then you know there is 2 liters remain in the 5-liter bucket. So once again fill the 3-liter bucket and pour 2 liters into the 5-liter buckets. Now 1 liter is remaining in the 3-liter bucket. So pour out the 5-liter bucket and then put that 1 liter in the 3-liter bucket into the 5-liter bucket. So now the 3-liter bucket is empty and in the 5-liter bucket there is 1 liter water. Then again fill the 3-liter bucket and pour it into the 5-liter bucket. Now there is 4 liters in the 5-liter bucket. Okay, let's look at another problem. In this, divide 30 by half and add 10. What do you get? This is very small problem. You should understand this correctly. So divide 30 by half. That means 30 divided by half, not and plus 10. So you should get, when 30 divided by half, it means 60, then plus 10, then you will get 70. Okay, then another problem. By moving one of the following digits, make the equation correct. The equation is 62 minus 63 equal to 1. Here you know 62 minus 63 should be minus 1. But we cannot change 63 and 62 because we can only move one digit. So to get 1, you know it should be 64 minus 63. Then we will get plus 1, such that you know 2 to the power 6 means 64. So we can write this as 2 to the power 6 minus 63 equal to 1. This is how move one digit and solve the problem. Which number should come next in this series? The series is 10, 17, 26 and 27. Let's look how to solve this. Here 3 to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 10. Then 4 to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 17. Likewise, 26 will get by 5 to the power 2 plus 1. Then 6 to the power 2 plus 1 will get 37. Such that the next value should be 7 to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 50. So the answer should be 50. Then a new problem. Some months have 30 days. Some months have 31 days. So how many months have 28 days? You know, when we consider in the 12 months, uh, some months have 30 days, 31 days and 28 days. But here they ask how many months have 28 days. So you know every month have 28 days or more. So the answer should be 12 months. Next question. Jesse's mom has 3 children. One is named Jane and one is named Jennifer. What is the third one's name? So we talk about Jesse's mom, no? So in this sentence we talk about Jane, Jennifer and Jesse's mom. So the remaining child should be Jesse. It's very tricky question. Then another problem, another very small problem. If you had a ton of feathers and a ton of stones, which would be more heavy? Suddenly you will, there is most possible answer for stones. No, it's wrong because the weight of all these feathers and stones are a ton of feathers and ton of stones. So the answer should be both weigh the same, a ton. When let's look at very funny problem. Let's see the problem. You have a fox, a chicken, and a sack of grain. You must cross a river with only one of them at a time. There are two conditions. If you leave the fox with the chicken, he will eat it. If you leave the chicken with the sack, he will eat it. So, how can you get these three across safely? I will explain this by a diagram. So, think this is the river. So, you should take the chicken over the first. Then, go back and bring the grain next. Then, but keeping the grain that side, and instead of leaving the chicken with the sack, come back with the chicken. Then leave the chicken on the first side and take the fox with you. Leave it on the other side with the sack. Then finally go back over the river and get the chicken and pick it over. Now the fox, chicken, and the sack are all in the other side of the river. This is how we can get these three across the river safely. Let's look at another problem. There are three boxes, have either white marbles, black marbles, or both. And the boxes are labeled as white, black, and both. However, you are told that each of the labels are wrong. You may reach into one of the boxes and pull out only one marble. Which box should you remove a marble to determine the contents of all three boxes? Let's look at how can we solve this. The answer should be one label. The answer should be the box labeled with both. So how I get that answer? Think, since you know it is labeled incorrectly, it must have all black marbles or all white marbles. After you determine what it contains, you can identify the other two boxes by the process of elimination. That is why I say that we should remove a marble which is in the box that labeled as both. Thank you.